How to fix cracks on crown
We're
molding.
going to fix the cracks on this beautiful crown molding. You see, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Alright. Grab the caulking gun with the Alex Flex Premium molding tray. As you see, let's apply a little bit. And then you pass the finger. That's it. What about there? Well, I got some extra over here. Let's put some. There you go. A little bit more there. More. And then this is gonna be need more. Check it out. Done. Bang. Right. Now clean the excess with the damp rag. Where's the crack? No crack. Clean the excess over here too. Pass the finger again. All done. Perfect.